Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in my channel I have continue building an e-commerce website with multi-module. So in the previous video I have built the config string security for admin module and I custom the login page. So you can watch it in my channel here. So can you subscribe for me and give me a support for me to continue building a new website. So in this video I will teach you to apply a template for admin with HTML, CSS and JS file to the admin module. So you can go to the page here. I will put the link on the description. So you can see many template admin here. So you can choose one, and it is open source and you can use. Now I will download here. I will download to the folder. After that, you open you extract the file here. So you can see many folder. So some folder here is for the static folder of Spring Boot project, and the page here you can see it is a login page. So I will custom the login page here and put it for the login page of Spring Boot project. So I will do now. So first I will copy static folder here. I copy to static template here. So some folder may be strongly and it can be slow. So I will wait for the successfully, and so I tell you that I will apply this login page here as a login page of admin project. So because I have busy, so now I free and I continue building the website. So after that you will see some folder here. So then in the login page here I will, so yeah, now I will run again for you to see the custom login page I do in the private video. Yeah, I will start. Yeah, you can see this is default and custom I have do in the private video. So now I will do the authentication with register, login and forget password. I will copy it to the template here. I will delete the template here. So then I will copy some page here and paste to template here. So then I will reload on project, click to Marvin and click to reload on Marvin project, and click to generate source and update folder for on project. So if you use the IntelliJ, you do not have some step here, then the login page will be do not change, and on the Eclipse you cannot need to do some step this. So then I will zero space. So I will rerun in zero space. Yeah, so I will do another page, another tab. Yeah, you can see this is custom login page. I do it's a paired video. So then I have apply the template from the folder project here to the admin page here. Then you can see the change. So because I using the template Thyme-leaf engine, so you need to add the Thyme-leaf by the so you can go to the Thyme-leaf and you copy this URL. It is an official website for document of Thyme-leaf engine. So I will paste here. So then can use some syntax of Thyme-leaf like TS. So with the URL you can rewrite some syntax for the right syntax here for the href and RC. So you can see many of TS Thyme-leaf syntax here. So I will perform in this video in each part of video. So why I need to rewrite? Because if you because for the Spring security with the Thyme-leaf, then when you go to other URL, so I can when you go to other URL here, so you can if you add additional name URL here, so you can go to the page here, visit URL here, so you can so the Thyme-leaf will do not. So we need Thyme-leaf will file the folder, and you can push at the exact folder and can you can link exactly. And you can do not rewrite for the old. So here it is the default template. So I will rewrite for the the syntax of Thyme-leaf. So in the login controller, I mean this is a login. So you can see I do not use login with Google or Facebook. So then I will open and delete it here. So for in the controller to contract with the controller here. So you can see the link login, forget password and create new account. So I will define the URL for this. The get mapping is the get HTTP method. Register here. The model here is the UI of Spring Framework to interact with to render for the view. I will return the file register. File register is named as the register here. So the Spring will return the register here. And get mapping forward passwords. So yeah, so in the login page you need to redefine the address. Is a forget passwords. So here you could so you can, when you push it the address, so the Spring will file this is the URL and not return the URL here. So you can also put it here. So I will rerun and keep it and show for you. But I will delete later. So you can see here. So I will go to the forgot password. So you can see on the bottom left, on the left bottom of screen, you can see the URL here, URL register, URL forget password. When I click the forget password, so the page in return the forget password and return the forget password here. You can see. So here, and for the, so you need to define the URL redirect here. So you can create account here. So you can see here. So now I will do the login and configure the login for you in the controller. For the login page, the get mapping is to open the page, open the URL to redirect to the page. And so for the register, I will do first. So after that, you go to the admin service APL, because Spring Security only pass the login with the password is encoded. So we has defined the password encoder here at admin, and you can use to encode the password. Microgrip password encoder here, so you can use in encode for the admin. Yeah, then we need to encode before the save with the database. Here in the login controller, you with the methods as new admin. For the to database, we use the post methods and define the URL. So you can define the get mapping and post mapping at the same URL, because this method, HTTP method, is different. But if you put it in get mapping for the same URL, it is the error. So, and to ignore it, I will write the new. So for the register here is the DTO, because we save the DTO to pass DTO to transfer the first name, last name, username and password to the admin. So we need to add new model attribute is as new admin DTO from to the Thyme-leaf page here. When open the page, the register, the model will add attribute is admin DTO new admin DTO here. So then when you set add attribute, when open the register, then in the register here have exist the model attribute admin DTO as the new admin. So for the register, we will get the admin DTO here from the template here to the URL by the annotation model attribute admin DTO. Admin DTO is the name is the same for the here. Here. So because we use the admin DTO and we use the validation here, I will delete the unusual import here. So you can binding sheet message here to the template by binding result here. Result, you need to put the so for the using using binding result, you need to add another send here is valid. Here the valid is another validation dependency, so you need to put the binding result before the after the valid. So because it can binding the message here to the render view, so you can model to render the view, and I put the redirect attribute here to binding the message. So here, if result not have errors, we will the return the template is register here. So you can add again the admin detail. If for admin detail have here, then so I will return register here. So I will put it to the jacket exception to always return always ignore the exception and return the view. Here, then I will put it here. So for the D and Europe, so if I will define an auto bit a private admin service MPL to check. I do it to check the username. If username is email admin you, I will binding the message admin detail not get username. So I will define string username admin get username. If username, so I will define the admin is so I will find admin equal admin service dot find. We put the username here. If the admin not equal the none means that the username had been registered. So you return register page and redirect attribute short flag attribute is have the exit when get the URL and the disappear when return an other URL. Add message here, and when we do it add use your email has been registered here. So if it's not pass the sum if here, you will admin dot save admin detail and redirect attribute dot attribute here register successfully here. So return register and we need to add attribute here to add again here. So then we also add attribute admin detail here. So here, so we return the, you don't need to put the return here. So I will redirect attribute as the message here. I put the error something when so cannot register because Europe server here. So I will return the register here. So then it is for the form for the register. For the register I will do is register here. Yeah, so it is the form here. You can see it's the first name, last name, email address, email username here. You will delete here. So I will define the address here, the forget password here. So the login here. So now I will the register here. I will rerun. Here. So I will here you can see the, so I do the first name the first name is Davis, last name is Lionel. So the username is admin here. So the field here is repeat password, so I think we need to check the password here, and if admin dto dot get the password dot equal admin dto dot get repeat passwords. So I will save the in here. So L I will us attribute again. Here and binding the message here. Password is not same here. So and we return register here. So for the in the login form here, we can add the value. So for the Thyme-leaf engine can find it is the model attribute for the admin. So we need to edit the character here. For the form, we need to add the th action is the URL. So URL for register here is register now, register new here. So the object object is admin dto here. Object is admin th object here. I think I had the error here. The object here is admin dto. It is a admin dto. I have us here. So define the methods is pass. So you can it's the uppercase here. I delete. So in the form first name, I will define is the field. This field is the admin detail is first name. I will define as the first name here, and here you can define the field. You will use the syntax. So I don't so you can see the error here, cannot resolve the first name. So you need to put the Thyme-leaf dependency here. You can copy and paste for register and paste for login here. So here you can the error has been removed. So then the field username, then ts view is the password here. ts view repeat password here. So then you need to use not the tag A, you need to input here Thyme equal submit and value. So I will change here, put Thyme equal submit, then here class the end Thyme is submit. So then I will rerun. So then I can check here. You can see the first name, username and repeat password. Here input Thyme equal submit. So I think I will do as a button. Thyme is submit here. So during the IntelliJ we will need to rerun. Here register account here. So then when put the username and password here. For the binding result I will do later. I will put the new admin is a admin here. I will check the so I will for the pass the message here. You need to add new div here. ts if equal here equal message. You need to here. So ts if e for the if condition and t tag e for the message. So for the we use the flat attribute e message and the message is here. So when the Thyme-leaf has the message, so then the tag is message here. So I will rerun again. Then now I will check the admin here. I do the password. I put it here. It do not matching the result. So to check, I will post here. Admin not known here. Round to string here. So can check the admin here. So success for the here as new but was not saved. So then I will run again and check. Here I will do the password here. Here the forbidden here. So creating the register new is not for the security, so we need to zealous. Yeah, and generate the library. Here I will run again. So now I will register here. Admit. So you can see the password is not same. So the binding the direct attribute is not binding to the here. So I will check. So the message is not binding the message because the direct attribute had the flat attribute when the URL has been direct. So I will solve for you. I will redirect to this page because the URL here is register new. So I will direct to the register. So here I will run again. So I will run again. So here I run, so I put the admin here, the wrong password. So you can see the password is not saved because it had redirect for the register. So here to fix it, I will add new section. I will use the section. Here you can see here. So I will keep it. So section dot set attribute value is password is not saved here. So in the register they had if section dot message class alert warning here. So I will stop and run again. So you can see the chain here. Here is the password is not saved. So I will here. So we have do for the password is not saved. So for the admin node we have session set attribute and message because we don't have to change the message here. I think class is danger message here. So then we because use the session, so we need to remove the section here. So here session on remove attribute name is message here, because if you don't remove, so the message tag here will available for own page because the session is for the own page here. So I think the error here dot set attribute message here server error, please try again later. Errors try again later. So here, so then I will set the attribute here session register successfully here, and for the binding the result from admin DTO message here to the Thyme-leaf. So we need to add new div here and we use it class E alerts danger. So then we put the TS is equal. So the Thyme-leaf has provide the field dots has eropt. Here the field name is first name here. So then TS erupts equal field is first name here. So you can see I think I put it as the input here. So then for the last name you have new div here, new divs here, cannot resolve the happy row. I think has error here. I think I rerun, re-import the project. So the message is cannot have the error here. Yeah, I think I forget this. Yeah, you can see the error has been removed. So for the class name is class equal alert danger. Yeah, so TS is equal here because the field has the syntax to have error for the Thyme-leaf support. So we need to use line B here and TS errors equal last name here because the email is not for the valid, so you need to password here. For password, the message password, so you is for the password here. Here class equal alert danger here. If equal here has errors passwords TS error equal passwords here. So you can see. So now I will do the change for you. You can see the change here. Waiting for the server rerun. So now I will rerun here. I put it the, you can see the password is 5 numbers 1 here, so I will check it for you. I will register here. You can see the invalid message here. You can see the invalid message here. So now I will push it admin here. You can see the password here. So here the server is have error, so I think I will check the server had errors here. Here I will use for the to check the error here, and I will rerun to check the error. So I will rerun for the admin files number 1. I have registered here, so I think the error is admin service IMPL password encoder here null oyster here cannot save. I think it is not right. Yes, I think the admin here, I think the config here do not found the password here, so I think I can change it by here for the login. So I think I push it for you. Private microwave password encoder here. So then, because the set library do not see the admin module, so now I will, if the password is equal, so admin dot not set password equal password encoder dot equals admin detail dot password here. So the password is equals and save for the database. So here I will check it for you. Rerun. Here I will rerun for you. File number 1. So I will check it here. So the message here I do as admin password is here. The password is not valid. So then I will use for the the right password, so I have the register here. So the register here is entered successfully. So you can see the success in the database here. I will show you for the e-commerce Spring Boot. Here admin, you can see the admin here. The password has been in code here for the row, submit row. Here the row is sorry, the name is admin. I don't put the name here, so then the admin cannot set for the row of the admin here. The row of the admin here is null, so I think I will rerun I delete, I drop the schema now, so then I will create new e-commerce Spring Boot here. So here you can see the e-commerce here, because you do the Spring Boot with the JPA and Hibernate, so you can need to write the query for the database. Here we will rerun, and the project will auto to generate the database for you. Here you can see the table here. So in the row I have us new, us mid here, customer here. I have the apply here. So now I will rerun for you. Here on the admin, the right password here. Here I have the register here, so you can see the admin here, and the row here is 1111 is for the row is on admin here. So I will the login here, admin, the login here. Login here is the index HTML. We don't have config. So I think this is enough. So in this video I have built for you. I have configured the login to login and managing the sheet for you with many tasks and many things you can know and study. So you can search on the Google about the section about the model and encoder or the Thyme-leaf. You can see I do and follow step by step, and you can do this. And I have config the login for you, and here send the page the index here. So in the next video I will do it, and you create the password here. So I have think if you do not register, do not remove the section, so the section is always on this page here. So I think this is enough. I will stop video here. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Goodbye.